But precisely, I want to focus more on the promises that we made during the campaign. The program cited for under Maayos na Bayan Sigurado, after all, it will be for the benefit ng ating mga kababayan. But because we are spending with values, for valuable considerations of the programs being implemented, I am glad that I have the full support of the members of the Sangguniang plus the department. That's actually enough for me. Siguro ngayon lang, ang akin lang ay may bigay lang natin yung dapat ibigay sa mga tao. Proyekto, walang barangay na naiiwan kasi mga major issues ng syudad na bibigyan. Tapos, mapapansin nyo, napaka-generous ng city. Araw-araw, bibigay ka sa senior, magbibigay ka sa solo parents, hindi ko naman natin yun. Magbibigay ka sa PWD. Lahat na yan kanilay gustong bigyan eh. Nagbigay tayo ng mga teachers. After all, ito naman ay people's budget. But then, precisely, thank you Sangguniang, I would like again to reiterate this one. Hopefully, we can have a better year by next year. Medyo positive ako. Just like, of course, we will be procuring another new budget for procurement ng lahat ng city college. May dumating na budget for the building. We can improve the tourism activities initiatives of the city. From the 21 million of Orange Health Card last year, or the health card last year, we have about more than about 80 million right now. And then with the scholarship, we have about 38 million right now. Na full scholarship package of 25,000. Tapos, magkakaroon tayo ng possibility pag nagawa na yung college, mas maraming scholars from 2,300 to 5,000. Gaganda na yung mga festivals ninyo. Hindi man, ako hindi narinig sa sinasabi nila na yung beautification project, because what's about 7 million na pailaw, kung ang iyong agrikultura naman ay 30 million, at fisheries hindi na pabayaan, all other sectors. So I think it may not be a perfect budget, but I think it's a balanced budget. So sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat at bilang pa ako din. Pero ang conseil po, mga members, mga city council at mga vice mayor, salamat sa lahat po ng mga members, special finance committee. At ito pong budget natin para sa lunsod na talaga. God bless you. Thank you.
Yakapin natin ang kaunlaran, kalapin nyo, sumama na. Yakapin natin ang kaunlaran.